So Betty is now 3 times as old as Mike, but in 5 years she'll be only twice as old as Mike. How old is Mike right now? We're talking about 2 people. We're talking about Benny, and we're talking about Mike. So we immediately start setting up a table, because we're also talking about 2 times. We're talking about now, and we're talking about in 5 years. Okay. So Betty is now 3 times as old as Mike. So let's put this all in terms of Mike. Betty's 3 times that. So 3 times x, we just write it as 3x. In 5 years, as soon as I read that, I build expressions before I even look to see how I'm going to relate those expressions. So in 5 years, I'm going to add 5. And Betty's 3x now, so now she's 3x plus 5. All right, so let's look at what the relationship is between these expressions. In 5 years, so looking at these, she, Betty, will be only twice as old as Mike. So we're going to say is in equals, although it's is in the future. Twice as old as Mike. So Betty, in 5 years, will be twice as old as Mike in 5 years. Well, Betty in 5 years, we said her expression is 3x plus 5. Mike in 5 years, we said his expression was x plus 5. Now that gives us something we can solve. We start with distributing. Could have also started with dividing both sides by 2, but that wouldn't have given us nice numbers. We take away 2x from both sides. We take away 5 from both sides. X equals 5. This is the solution. Is it actually the answer? It is, because it asks us how old is Mike right now, which happens to be x. So Mike is 5 right now, and that's our answer.